Are you worried that AI might take over your job as a developer before you even start? Well, what if I told you that AI could actually be your secret weapon to becoming a faster, better coder, more efficient, and more creative? Let me tell you how AI can help you improve your skills and grow your career in tech, and even surpass senior developers with many years of experience. First, let's talk about why you shouldn't be afraid of AI. AI is a tool, just like any other technology we've learned to use. Try to remember when you first started coding. It was hard, right? But you kept going, and now you're getting better and better and better every day. AI is just another tool that can help us become better developers. Think about it. AI can help us with tasks that are boring and take a lot of time, like fixing mistakes in our code or suggesting ways to make it better. This means we can spend more time on the fun and creative part of coding. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you, catching mistakes before they become big problems and giving you tips on how to write better code. That's the power of AI. So how can you start using AI in your learning and coding? Here are a few tips. Tip number 1. There are many AI-powered coding tools out there like GitHub Copilot that can help you write code more efficiently. Give them a try and see how they can fit into your workflow. Also, let me know in the comments below if you already use any and which one. Tip number 2. Keep learning about AI and how it works. There are plenty of free and paid online courses and resources that can help you understand AI and how you can use it in your projects. Tip number 3. Join groups and forums where you can talk about AI and coding with others. Sharing knowledge and experiences can help you learn faster and stay motivated. Remember just one thing. The tech industry is always changing, and so should we. Embracing AI doesn't mean replacing our skills, it means making them better and finding new possibilities. So let's stay positive here, keep learning, and support each other on this exciting journey called programming. Together we can push the boundaries of what's possible and shape the future of tech. And as Albert Einstein once said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Thanks for watching. I'm Pete. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.